Hello everybody. Today we're gonna talk a little bit more about the sounds of the letters TH. And some videos ago, you can check on my channel, Encouragement and Powers, and you can check the previous videos. And I explained how to pronounce the TH sound. So there are two ways. So let's see. These symbols, there is one alphabet called IPA. It's the International Phonetics Alphabet. And if you know the symbols of that alphabet, you can learn how to pronounce any word in English by yourself. If you have, as I said that before, if you have a good dictionary and in front of each word between slashes, you can see this letters, the symbols, yeah. And these symbols represent sounds. So I'm teaching you the sounds of the letters TH. So there are two symbols, this one and this one. This one, so remember we are talking about TH sound. This one brings this unvoiced sound or voiceless. There is no sound, so you make this. Remember, you put your tongue between your teeth and blow like the sound of letter S. Right? Yeah. So, TH sound, think, thought, truth, think, thought. Thought is the past of think. Truth. Truth is the noun. True is the adjective. This is true. T-R-U-E. The truth is. So truth is the noun, right? So the sounds of these words, the TH sound with this symbol, is unvoiced, voiceless. There's no sound. Different from this one, which is voiced. So this one, we make this. Again, you put your tongue between your teeth and think about the sound of letter Z. So you feel something here, trembling, and there is a sound. Right? So here, no sound. And here, there is a sound. So the words this, that, weather, rhythm, right? So again, you can check the previous videos and you will learn this better. But today, I'd like to talk about some numbers. Yeah, numbers whose spellings are with TH. So let's see. But first of all, I need to teach you other sounds. So here we have these two dots means a longer sound. And this is letter E. So we'd say E. Can you repeat after me? E. This one? E. This is letter E also, but a short sound. I. I. So again? E. I. This one is very important. This is the only sound that has a name. The name is schwa. Schwa is the sound of You can do this, or That's the same sound, So all the words that finish with letter R, especially professions, like teacher, driver, all these sounds is the schwa. British English wouldn't pronounce letter R. They would say teacher, driver. American English, Canadians, they would say Okay, so driver, teacher, but it doesn't matter if letter R is pronounced. What I want to emphasize here is the sound of which is the schwa. So schwa is everywhere, right? And the sound of So let's check again after me. E, So let's see if you can read this with me. So letter R is easy. E. So here we say 3. Can you say again? 3. Number 3. Not tree. Okay? Apple tree. But number 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the phonetics. 3. Take a look at this. Schwa. What's the sound of schwa? T, E. And this is a kind of N, like ing. All the ing words, like doing, talking, running, that's this last sound. So let's see. After me. T, E, sorry. So let's see together. 13. Number 13. 1, 3. 13. 13. The first one was 3. Number 3. Second one, 13. 13. And the strong syllable is not the strong syllable is not the correct thing. It's the stress. Stress means the strong syllable. So 13, it's not 13. It's 13. Right? So how do we know that? Because we have the longer sound here, 13. Take a look at this. After me. 30. You can say 30. That's the number 30, 30, or 30. Both are correct. But the thing is the TH sound. 30 or 30. And here, 13. People may make lots of confusion with these two ones here. They say 30. But this is 30 or 30. But for these three numbers, the H sound is the same. 3, 13, 30, or 30. Okay? Again, why am I doing this? Why am I keep talking about these sounds? It's because, guys, I want to help you. Because many times you might think you are saying the correct thing. You might think people can understand you, but they understand another thing, or they don't even understand. And my idea here is to help you to improve your pronunciation, improve your way of speaking English, to help you really to say whatever you want to say, and people will understand and you will be able to communicate. And this is beautiful. I love English. I love pronunciation, and I'm here to help you. So I'd like to encourage you to keep practicing all of the sounds, and you can, if you have doubts and more doubts beyond these ones, the comments is there. You can just write, and I will help you, okay? So have fun and see you soon.